now we will do trigonometric identities, and these trigonometric identities are total 3 in numbers, and for doing the exercise 8.4 you should know all these identities. So I'm taking the first one. The first one is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We can write it as, if I'm taking this cos square theta on right hand side, so it will be sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, or we can write it as cos square theta. If I'm taking this sine square theta on right side, it will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So one or the other way, these three are same. So basically in the same way we can write the second identity, and that is, let me write the second identity now. The second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1, and you can write it in two more ways, like tan square theta, sorry, this is not 1, I'm sorry, this is sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and we can write it as tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1, or we can write it as tan square theta minus sec square theta equal to minus 1, or if I just take the minus common and cut it with this, so I'll get sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So in any ways you can write the second identity. So this is the second identity. Now we'll move towards the third identity. What is that? Let us show you. Let me show you. The third one is 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta, and in the same way we can write in the way we have written the second and the first one in so many ways, we can write the third identity also in other ways, like we can write it as cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, or cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1, right? So you can write it in any ways. So this is the third identity. So after these three identities, you can do your exercise 8.4 easily. But along with these three identities, I want to remind you some more things which we have already done. But you should keep them in your mind. That is, tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. Why it is so? Because tan and cot are reciprocal of each other, and if tan theta is sine by cos, that means cot theta must be cos by sine, right? And few more things, like sine theta is 1 by cosec theta, or we can write it as cosec theta as 1 by sine theta. Similarly, we have the relation in cos and sec. What is that? That is, cos theta is 1 by sec theta, or sec theta is 1 by cos theta. And we can write in the same way for the tan and cot as we have discussed. That is, tan theta is 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is 1 by tan theta, right? So by just knowing all these formulas and identities, we can easily do the coming questions. So sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Okay.